Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate your Facebook Messenger account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Messenger app. Then right here tap at your profile picture and then scroll all the way down until you find account settings. Just tap on that. Then tap add personal information and then tap add manage account. On that screen you are able to deactivate your Messenger account. Just hit right here where it says deactivate. It may ask you to enter your Facebook password before that step, and then it will show you that list of options. You have to pick one. I'll just hit add this is temporary. I'll be back. And then if you hit add continue, your Facebook Messenger account will be deactivated. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Messenger tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.